In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Lovart AI credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which plan might fit your creative workflow so you can generate designs without running out of juice. First, open your browser and head to Lovart's homepage. This is the hub for their AI design agent, and it's where you'll access all account options. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Upgrade button, usually located near the top of the interface. Click Upgrade to open the plan selection page. This page is where Lovart lists the available credit bundles for fast generation. Before we compare plans, here's a quick note on what credits for fast generation means. Credits are the currency Lovart uses to process your design requests at speed. When you have fast generation credits, your prompts move quickly through the system, which is ideal when you're iterating on visuals, testing variations, or working toward a deadline. On the plan screen, you'll see several tiers. The starter plan includes 2,000 credits per month for fast generation. This is a practical entry point if you're experimenting, building a small portfolio, or handling light weekly tasks. It gives you room to explore the tool and still keep projects moving. If you find yourself creating more assets on a regular basis, the basic plan bumps you up to 3,500 credits per month. That extra cushion can make a noticeable difference when you're refining multiple directions for a client, producing social graphics consistently, or running small campaign sprints. For heavier workloads, the Pro plan offers 11,000 credits per month for fast generation. This tier suits active teams or solo creators managing frequent revisions, batch image sets, or multi-channel content calendars. The added capacity helps you stay in flow without constantly watching your balance. If you need maximum throughput, click on Ultimate. The Ultimate plan provides 27,000 credits per month for fast generation